3, 2, 1.
Operator down to 50, then the engineer. Dropping bomb. Nuke the guard or the foreman, whichever you have in range while we are waiting. Go, engineer, quick.
Out of the shield.
Quick.
I have a guard on Cobain, right side.
Helmet trace in the middle.
Your combat res on the tank.
Right side, make sure you're on the op 50%. He's in a shield, doesn't matter.
He's not
They
actually.
don't get the shield bonus till
No, he's in the shield.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Next engineer.
Engineer's about to die right side.
Yeah, drag the bombs. Go. Next engineer. Go. Operator first.
I like how Evanes sometimes works and sometimes doesn't.
Yeah, that's why I stopped using it.
Yeah, I'm not going to use it anymore. This is retarded.
We just have to be careful when we take the shit there to explode, so we don't blow each other up, or use an invis or something.
Yeah, that's what I was going to start doing, was invising for it.
The problem is we won't have it available for each one, only every 2 times or 3 times.
Interesting. Tanks can pick bombs up.
Yeah, anyone can.
Everyone can pick the bombs up.
Rogue will definitely be really strong for that job.
We were using it